The Sierra Madre Emergency Sleeping Bag uses reflective mylar to trap your body heat remarkably well, which makes a real difference when temperatures drop unexpectedly on the trail. Its waterproof and wind-blocking shell shrugs off rain, snow, and harsh gusts, so you are not left shivering in wet clothing if the weather turns ugly. Despite being extremely light in weight, it packs down very small, yet still opens up large enough to cover most adults comfortably from head to toe. The material feels tougher than the flimsy throwaway emergency blankets you often see, so with reasonable care it can be folded back into its stuff sack and used again. Because it comes as a compact set that fits easily into backpacks, glove compartments, and bug-out bags, it is an easy piece of insurance to keep in every vehicle and kit. For hikers, campers, and preparedness-minded families, this emergency bivy strikes a smart balance of warmth, durability, and portability that makes it a practical staple rather than a gimmick.